Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps to your Amazon Fire Stick. The whole process is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, your first step is going to be getting the app code downloader. If you already have a downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you of course can skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course follow me. So go to the search bar on your Fire Stick, open it here, and start typing downloader in the search bar on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and now that's the app which you need to get to the Fire TV stick. But after you got downloader, it's actually not over yet because we still need to set it up. So now to set up downloader, we go to settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now there, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And in here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now let's go back to the list of your Fire Sticks applications. So there it is, let me open it. And here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also gonna give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it. And now we are ready to use downloader here. So let's go to downloader application, open that. And now in the home screen of downloader, you'll see this big search bar appear. Let's open it as well. And now what we gotta do in here is enter a code, which will allow us to download that amazing spicy app to your Fire Stick device. The code will be 863 and then 078. So once again, 863-078. That is the whole code you have to enter, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code will not work for you. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about fire sticks. And now the load of the app has started. Usually doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And after the app got downloaded, we also still have to make sure to install it to our devices. So click installation on the installation button, and now the installation will be finished in a couple of seconds. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. Now if you go to take a look at the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, here at the bottom you will find this new app which we just got. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. It's right next to the home button on your remote. You click on it and that menu will appear on the right side of your screen. Click on move to front, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of service for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.